Creality 3D Scanner. Performance of professional measurement level, creating high accuracy models. One-click fully automatic completion of the scan. Get the complete model simply. It can also be picked up to scan complex objects flexibly. High precision matching algorithm based on color and structural features, realizing multiple scan automatic synthesis function. Intelligent wide range alignment algorithm to ensure automatic matching without marker points. Eye safety of white LED light source, and scanning is faster and smoother. From 0.3 mm to 0.1 mm, the accuracy level is improved to ensure high precision details. 24-bit high fidelity color restoration. Perfect support for color 3D printing. It can be uploaded online to connect with app. The intelligent processing of the model can be done online. Through the connection of 3D printer, there are a variety of built-in consumables to achieve the best printing experience. Let you get the perfect model with rich details. After printing, you can polish and color according to your preference to create your own artwork. It can be widely used in many fields, such as art design, medical, or industrial. Professional-grade high-precision 3D scanner, a sweep instant molding, so that the imagination into reality.
This is a new era of creation and design. And with Revopoint POP, it is now accessible to everyone. The Revopoint POP is the first high-precision, cost-effective 3D scanner available with ultra-precise accuracy for pixel-perfect 3D prints. Until now, 3D printing has been limited to those with strong digital sculpting skills. But with Revopoint POP, the limits are endless. It features 2 scanning modes, handheld and fixed, for a variety of opportunities to texture map anything, anywhere. 1 cable connect to your laptop to quickly obtain the highest single frame accuracy of any object with either a turntable to quickly acquire a full 360 mesh build, or go handheld to capture unique organic shapes, both large and small. Revopoint POP is able to capture fine details like nose contours, wrinkles, or high-definition texture colors for accurate organic scans. With an eye-safe infrared light source for picture-perfect 3D scans, generated by our free-access, simple-to-use, intuitive Revopoint software. No training required. Just fast, accurate mesh construction in the palm of your hand. Connect to your phone, AC power free for handheld access to ultra-quality object scanning both indoors and out. With our mobile-friendly, easy-to-use scanning application. It is lightweight, efficiently powered, and safe. Perfect for anyone to recreate anything. No longer limited to a skill set. And for a fraction of the cost of a traditional scanner. Art, design, dental, or industrial, Revopoint is truly the 3D scanning innovation, finally accessible to everyone. There are no limits to creation with Revopoint POP.
Introducing F6 Smart, the latest handheld volumetric scanner from Mantis Vision. Used in a wide range of industries, the F6 Smart is based on a field-proven scanning technology. portable scanner offers the most accurate results at large distances of any scanner on the market today. The large working distance of up to 4.5 meters, coupled with the real-time feedback and the ability to scan without preparation, delivers a scanning process that is rapid and intuitive. With unmatched reliability and suitable for use in any ambient light, the easy-to-use F6 Smart is designed to capture detailed objects and hard-to-reach areas. The F6 Smart offers a robust solution for many industries, including architecture, engineering, and construction, law enforcement, automotive, oil and gas, defense and military, cultural heritage. Wireless synchronization allows multiple scanners to achieve a full scan of dynamic objects. The ease of use is enhanced with a lightweight, ruggedized, and ergonomic design. Utilizing structured light technology developed exclusively by Mantis Vision, the projector casts a unique pattern over the scanned object. The embedded IR camera perceives the depth information and creates a highly detailed point cloud in real time. The RGB camera is matched with the IR camera for color texturing. Echo, Mantis Vision's exclusive software, provides powerful post-processing tools, including high-quality registration, noise filtering, and highly accurate mesh with color texturing. Echo can export scanned files to VR and mobile applications. An SDK provides developers with full access. F6 Smart, a revolutionary 3D scanner for a wide array of applications.